Corn Jowar Thalipeeth, a gluten-free recipe today. We will serve it with Watana Usali. Let us see how to make Watana Usali. The white chana, the peas, had to be soaked overnight. Wash and soak 1 cup white chana for 8 hours. Wash and transfer to cooker after 8 hours. I have a small cooker, so I have transferred it directly. Add salt and water, just enough to pressure cook. We will pound 1 green chili, black peppercorn 10 numbers, 2 cloves, 2 tablespoons fresh coconut. Grind gently. We don't want to make a paste. It should be coarse. You can see. Yes, this is the right way to make it. Now we will give a tadka. Heat coconut oil 1 teaspoon, mustard 1/4 teaspoon. Then we add hing, very little, curry leaves, and saute pounded masala, turmeric, and saute for a minute. Don't over fry this. Add the cooked peas. We added salt earlier. 2 tablespoons fresh coconut, chopped coriander, and jaggery to taste. Cook till it becomes soft and dry. Let's make corn jowar thalipeeth now. Take a corn. You can also buy the corn kernels which are available in supermarket. Cut the corn the way I have shown. The corn kernels are around 1 cup to 1.5 cup. Add it to a small mixie jar. Add 1 green chili, turmeric, and salt. Just run it through pulse. We don't want to grind it fine. Some kernels should remain. Transfer to a bowl. Add jeera, cumin seeds 1/2 teaspoon, and jowar atta 1 cup. Mix it. Add chopped coriander 2 tablespoons and mix. If required, you can add little more water. The dough should be soft. Now grease a cold tawa. The tawa should not be hot. We will pat the thalipeeth as shown. And every time we make a thalipeeth, we have to cool down the tawa. You can keep it under running water to cool it down and then use again. This dough is very soft. We cannot roll it like chapati. Make holes as shown. Put on the flame. Cover and cook. Check if it is cooked. It will change color. At this point, you add more oil if required. Put a few drops in each hole. Flip the thalipeeth and cook again for few minutes. Thalipeeth is ready. Let us serve it with Watana Usali. Thank you.